show a video on how to change the SIM card on an Etracker. The first thing you want to do is you need to take this interface connecting piece off, and it's a Phillips screwdriver. And you do this because this is tied to the board itself. Okay, this actually comes apart, but you need to take this off. As you can tell, the connection. Okay. Then you want to go to this section here and take these two screws out. You'd leave that middle one there is fine. Like this. And then this opens up, and you can take a close look at that. And this is the SIM card section here. So SIM card goes in there, lays flat, and then this little piece moves forward and locks in. Okay. Now once that's done, and the little slot has a little for the SIM card. And then once that's done, just go ahead and screw everything back in. Like so. I won't do these all together. So, and then come back here, as you can tell, put the connector back on, align it so it's on there. It may not be a perfect fit, or you may have, because the connector portion is a little further out, or not as out. Let's see here. So, and go ahead and put your screw. Lock it in, tight, and you're done changing the SIM card. Thank you.